What the?
Manny, you're doing a great job.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Jessica. I like to meet.
I'm gonna get the comments.
His hands look like that. So mine can look like that.
Alright, so let me explain. I want to fix my driveway because it's a pile of garbage. Back when I had to dig the ditch to run electric from the house down into the garage, don't mind the kiddie pool, I found concrete about right here. So I've been thinking about this for a while. I want to patch and seal what I can here. The worst part's probably this one right here. This, however, I'm taking all of this out. All of this. And underneath, I was right, there are beautiful concrete or stone rock right here. Now, there's quite a gap here. It's probably a couple inches. So my plan is to actually do like a stone paver and brick section here. I think I can make this work. It should be interesting. It's an idea. Hang out and you'll see it happen. Me and Jess took the bikes out to get coffee this morning. I'm sure by now you've seen her new road glide. That's partially why I'm doing this driveway repair. So you can tell in the daylight now, it's pretty broken up, but I think I can fix most of this. There's the Sporty. So I went to the store this morning and picked something up.
The car's looking pretty squatted.
I picked up a new handle for my shovel because I broke the other one. And to make it a little easier, I got a flat blade shovel to help scrape up the rest of this. Unfortunately, the rain is deciding to all hit Ohio at once now in the middle of July. So in order for me to do blacktop patch and sealer, I need at least 2 or 3 days of sunny weather. The other thing I'm reading about is blacktop patch doesn't always harden very quickly. Like to drive on it and walk on it's like a couple hours, but the actual cure time on it is like a year or some crap like that. So I don't know how that's gonna work with that big girl there driving over it, because that thing's already scraping up pavement now with the kickstand. Before I get too carried away, I need to replace my shovel handle. I snapped that off when I was doing some landscaping work out front, digging out old roots. Where'd I put that? That'll work. Okay, I got my buddy Manny over here helping me. A few things have changed. I'm going to do 2 rows of the block now because I dug out too much. Just means I get to spend more money. But to finish this part, I need to unload the rest of the block, and I'm going to be getting the red brick from over here. So I plan on dropping pewter blocks in an arc around the back patio, taking that red brick and reusing it over here. Alright, so here's where I'm going to be putting down the pewter slabs. Now I just got to dig up the red brick. I can lay them in and I can move the red brick back over here.
Please.
What?
No, you about flipped that over.
Who, me or him?
No, Jordan, because he pulled the brick up and then the big slab about fell down.
Oh yeah, careful, that big slab's a little wobbly. You're not the boss, man.
No, fuck's given.
Alright, man. I don't give a shit about your goddamn fingers. How about that? You need those fingers for your work.
I don't need nothing.
It's as good as it gets.
This is as good as it gets.
Look like this.
Everything else after this is all downhill.
Do you want me to jump on it?
It cracked.
I knew it.
That's okay. We can have a cracked one there.
Oh, here we go.
Wait, hold on. There's a stick here.
Maybe not Hulk smash this one.
I won't. I learned my lesson.
Also, like, I love that you're optimistic and think that this is gonna not.
Have the same issue.
You know what?
Holy shit.
Yeah, you're right.
I
Because
told
they
you
had.
these are looser. Just got back for round 2. A little more weight this time.
She squatted pretty good.
Now I can finish off this row and that row, and we're going to start tearing up this section now.
You fixing my driveway for me?
Well, only one of us has a scrambler now.
Oh, shots fired.
Sorry. Sorry, Dad.
His hands look like that. So mine can look like this. Manny, you're doing a great job.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Jessica. I like to clean.
I'm going to get demonetized.
I like you, sweet. This guy works for cheap, though. Did we just pay you in pizza and friendship?
The people is well worth it. The friendship, I don't know. Maybe.
Unfriended. You guys are doing a great job. So tell me what's going on this section and why it's worse.
For some reason, the pavement on this section is actually good.
It's like actually in good shape.
Of course.
After he does that side first.
Because I thought this side would be the easy side because it was already half up.
It was destroyed. Yeah, this section was way more deteriorated than over there. And yeah, this is looking great. I wish the top half looked like this. Well, have fun with your pickaxe. You're doing a great job.
Well, it's a little after 8 o'clock now. We've been at it for off and on for a few hours. The last section's giving us a lot of problem. This big stuff here is quite a bit harder to peel off. Impossible to take off with a shovel. So I'm literally taking a pickaxe and chiseling it off a little bit at a time. You can see a patch here I've done, a patch there, patch there, patch there. We had the same problem over here, but it wasn't this bad. That's probably what I'm going to do for the rest of the night here. But once I get this done, I can lay down the last of the block, and hopefully call it a night. So much for doing much today. It might clear out later. If it does, I'll see how much I can get done. I'm gonna have to come through and fill this in with some black loose gravel for now, until the weather actually clears up. Right now it's sunny, but it was raining about an inch of rain just an hour ago, and it's supposed to rain more tonight. So I'm gonna add some dirt over here, some dirt through here, and when I get a good time I can start going through and fixing all these low spots. But sand was a good idea. That definitely made this much easier to lay down and keep flat. And it's a nice flat surface to get the road glide out. What do you think?
I'm so excited. I can't wait to have a smooth patch to pull out and in on with the bikes.
It'll really be nice when I fix all that out there.
Yeah.
So this is the first step. Now to start the next fun step.